is an honor for me to be here today. Kasi kailangan po namin kayo. Kailangan po natin ang isa't isa. Whenever I am asked to speak about journalism, especially about the current situation of our country, alam niyo po, napapatanong talaga ako, saan nga ba kami nagkulang? What could we do better as journalists to help our country? What do we have to do para mga journalists po rin po ang inyong paniniwalaan? Well, we live in the day and age of fake news, and clearly, that is really the biggest challenge now of us in media and our country. How do we fight fake news? How do we challenge propaganda? Hindi ko masagot. I'm sure iniisip nyo rin. As I share with you my journey as a journalist, kayo rin ang tatanungin ko, what can each of us here do to protect the truth? Baka naman po pwede tayong magtulungan. Our network, ABS-CBN, has been in the news because of the Lopez family's controversy. And before that, alam nyo naman ang nangyari, na-cancel po ang ating franchise. There was really a deliberate attempt to discredit us, not just ABS-CBN, but media. Rodrigo Duterte is no longer president, but the damage done to the media is so hard to undo. And it's not helping at all that 65% of Filipinos, according to recent surveys, cannot even tell fake news from the truth. Paano na tayo? How do you protect the truth when telling the truth is constantly challenged? I have been in the industry for almost 30 years. Kanina ho nung sinabi yung mga credentials natin, naramdaman ko yung edad ko. Miss na matuwa ako, naramdaman ko edad ko, Doc Cecil. Pero anyway, nagpapasalamat po tayo, nandito pa rin tayo because I am here to witness how journalism has evolved. I began my career as a reporter in the late 90s. Dati, I don't know what you call them. Hindi nyo na alam siguro kung ano yung two-way radios, no? Yun yung parang, meron kami news gathering head. Pangalan niya Delta. Badet, Ted Formo. Ted Forment location. Ako si Badet.
Alam niyo.
Hello sa mga Badet dyan, pero hindi Badet ang nickname ko. Suddenly, naging Badet ang nickname ko sa trabaho. Wala na akong magawa, tumatak na siya. So pag tinatawag ako sa office, either Badet or Miss B. So that is my call sign, Badet. That was 1990s. 21-year-old Badet had a laptop going to work. At noon pala medyo big deal na yun. So sabi